morning, guys, and happy My Meals Monday to you. Today's actually Sunday for me, and I am making waffles for breakfast. And then I'm going to do a phone call, which is why I have my headphones in, because I'm going to do it whilst making my waffles, because I'm a multitasker like that. Come on, please open. Thank you. I do want to show you guys. I have two coffees here. Please don't mind. Those dishes are actually clean. I have two coffees here. One is an iced venti vanilla latte made with almond milk, and this is a espresso frappuccino made with almond milk. And yes, folks, I'm gonna drink both. I got two because today's gonna be a busy day for me. Hold on, I need to fix this cord. Today's gonna be a busy day for me. I have got to clean my house. I've got some work I have to get done too. And so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna caffeinate and blow through this stuff. It's about 10 a.m. right now. And over here, this is clutter because this is all the stuff I need for a baking video that I'm going to be filming today. And then I've got like my blender and stuff here for my nice cream stuff that I'm doing, and it's just never ending. So I've decided I'm just gonna power through, clean, tidy, get everything nice and organized so I have a nice organized week ahead, but also get my worky bits done. So, anywho, I'm gonna start making these waffles and I will show you what they look like when it's done. So I'm just having my breakfast now. This is the waffle. It didn't come out as great as they normally do, but that's life. So I'm just going to eat this and do my phone call.
A secret kiss from painted lips. Yeah, we can move in. A taken bed, a sun to set, and maybe we're falling. Before it's begun, let's get in that over.
Alright guys, it is 3:15 lunchtime and it's super hot and humid today. So I made a salad for lunch. This is what it looks like. And in here I have some fresh spring greens, some romaine lettuce, avocado, a whole avocado because I had to, tomato and cucumber. And then I'm going to put some of this dressing on. It's like the best dressing in the whole world. Funny story about that dressing. It's the house dressing of our favorite Japanese restaurant. And when my mom came here 2 years ago, we introduced her to it and she's become obsessed with it. So we keep sending her some and she keeps running out. Anyways, long story short, she tried to order it because she was like not wanting to bother us to send more, so she tried to get it online. Someone on Amazon was selling this for $65 a bottle. We buy it for $4.99 because it's the restaurant's like house dressing. They make it themselves. It's called Gaiotaku Restaurant. Anyways, I just thought that was really funny. But anywho, so the avocado, I had to use a whole one because it's so hot and humid that they get ripe and go off very quickly here. So this one was ready today, and if I didn't use it all by tomorrow, it'd be ruined. So I'm just trying to get through my bag of avocados. I hate wasting avocados because they're so expensive. But I do buy them at Costco. I get like a bag of 5 for $7, which is way cheaper than Safeway where they're like almost $5 each. Anywho's, I'm gonna eat this because I'm hungry and then get back to work. So it is is now dinner time. I'm recording this on my iPhone, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well, but my camera is doing this thing. Like every single time I turn it on, it says memory card error. I switched out the memory card, it still says it. I formatted both memory cards, it still says it. Anyways, I'm making my dinner and I thought I would show you what it looks like before I pop it in the oven. It's just roasted vegetables. This is what it looks like. So I have zucchini here and it has some olive oil, sage, oregano, thyme, and basil. Is it thyme? No, rosemary. Then I just threw one parsnip on there because I had it and I want to eat it. And then I have golden beet. I've had golden beet, but I've never roasted it myself. So I chopped it, put the same type of seasonings on, and same with the Brussels sprouts. I did chop those because they take forever to cook if you don't. So that is my pre-roasted vegetables. Okay, so my dinner is done cooking and I think it actually looks really, really good. This is what it looks like. I've got the beets here, zucchini over here, a little bit of parsnips and brown rice and quinoa, and then the Brussels sprouts. My favorite restaurant here, Roy's, serves a Brussels sprout salad. It's roasted Brussels sprouts with golden raisins, and it's just so good. So I got some of those. These are the no sugar added ones, and so I sprinkled some of that over, and this is what my dinner looks like. All right, guys, it is 10:45. How much are you loving this hair? I still need to edit this video because it has to go up tonight for me in 1 hour essentially, and I have to do my kitchen because I ended up watching like 5 or 6 hours of Scandal because I had so many to catch up on, and I'm just like, it's over and I can't change the ending, but I was disappointed by the ending. Anyways, yeah, I'm not going to talk your guys' ear off. I'm just going to end this video, edit the video, clean my kitchen, and head to bed hopefully before midnight because tomorrow's Monday. So I hope you guys had a great day. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.